Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And today I'm doing a box opening of a doll that I bought because Tina at Tina's Reborns and More and I are going to do a couple videos together, a collab. We bought dolls to become a character, and you'll see in just a minute. And I'm excited about it, and Tina's excited about it. So we got on eBay and found nice used dolls. Oh, there's something else in there. There's something for this purpose, and mine is going to need some work, and hers is going to need some work. So we're going to show you the cleanup videos also. My fancy scissors from my son for unboxing. Here she is. Oh, she's cute. I love these dolls. I have a new renewal of love. I can tell that she is, I'm betting, a American Girl, not Pleasant Company, because of the way she is. What does that say? Oh, no. It is Pleasant Company. Usually the Pleasant Companies are built like football players and very overstuffed. Let me cut her feet so I don't, well, not her feet, but the, the packaging around her feet so I can show her to you. Yes, I did know about that black mark. It does not concern me one bit. First of all, I'm going to put some cream on that. And if that doesn't pull it out, I'm still not concerned because she's going to wear black. What a pretty, pretty girl. Oh, gosh.
It looks like a bruise on her leg.
Yeah, there you go. She is rough and tough. So here's her face. Boy, that's a good face for this character. I'll bet you can already guess, but I'll tell you in just a minute. Yeah, I'll get that hair. I'll show you how I do their hair. That hair will just comb out just fine. There's a few fried ends, but I'm okay with it. I am just fine with all this. Now, this is curious, and it could just be packing. Yeah, that's just packing, and I will hang on to that and pass it on. Let me show you her in her holdover outfit. I have a collection of doll patterns. It's rather large, isn't it, Darren?
It's between your books and your patterns.
Yeah. And I wanted to try this dress, and it worked out great for this character. I was going to put a collar on it and cuffs, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to do it like they have it in the pattern. This is the Butteridge B6645. It is so simple. It is a front and a back piece. That's it. Where is it? That's it. That's it. And you just add your trim around the, I used bias tape around the arms and neck and sleeves. Sleeves, bottom, and skirt and neck. And then I added gray buttons because the Wednesday Addams on the 1960 show has a black dress with white collar, white cuffs, and dark, very dark gray buttons. But when the camera lights hit it, you can see they are gray. So yes, she is going to be Wednesday Addams. She's getting another dress. I just did this one because I wanted to do the pattern, and I thought, you know what, have a placement dress. And I also got her some earrings. I'm going to have Darren pierce her ears when we clean her up and fix her up. She's going to need tightening. She's not real loose, but she's not real tight either. I sure did think she was Mattel, but I'm really I like Pleasant Company. I like it because they're old and nostalgic and on and on. So that is going to be my little Wednesday Addams. Stay tuned. Go by Tina's today and see her doll that she's getting ready to become Wednesday Addams. And like, subscribe, and comment to both of our videos. Thank you for watching.